Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I have an unboxing for you guys, and we are doing a Heimish unboxing. So if you want to see what I received from them, then keep watching. Heimish did send me these products, so let's see what I got. I've worked with Heimish before. I worked on like almost a year ago, so I'm excited to be working with them again. I will leave that unboxing video down below if you want to check it out. So I want to see what I got. I know with them you could pick out products to try. So these are the 3 products that Heimish sent over. First up, we have their Artless Glow Tinted Sunscreen, and this is an SPF 50. The back of the box says that this is a tinted glow sunscreen that will even out your skin tone with a natural pearl glow, and it also acts as a makeup base that will make your makeup last longer. So it's like a makeup primer. The shade is Shine Beige, and it is a glowy beige skin color with a shiny pearl base. So I want to swatch this. I like the packaging. It's nice packaging. Let's swatch a little bit here. It's a nice texture. It's very creamy, very like silky smooth, very shiny. Next up, we have this Moringa Ceramide Hyaluronic Hydrating Cream. This sounds amazing. My skin loves hyaluronic acid because it is dry as a desert. So I'm going to love this, and I also really love the packaging. It is just so fancy. And last, I got these Matcha Biome Hydro Gel eye patches. I have been loving doing eye patches in the morning when I do my makeup. If you watch my Get Ready With Me's, you see them every morning. So I'm really excited to use these. If I can open it, I want to show you guys what they look like. Ooh, they're a pretty green color. If you've ever watched any of my videos, I am obsessed with greens, specifically this color. And they're sparkly. So you'll be seeing these a lot in my Get Ready With Me's if you watch them. I will have reviews of all of these products up on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. But if you want any specific video reviews, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will get them up for you guys. And that is it for this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box, specifically Instagram, so you don't miss out on any of the reviews. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.